We'll guide you through how to turn on or off silent mode on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Silent mode will go and impact whether your iPhone goes and makes a sound when you receive a call or notification. So, for example, let's go and say you have silent mode enabled. This means your iPhone will be silent, which is great if you're in an environment which is quiet. But if you're worried about missing a call or notification, it's a good idea to go and turn it off so your iPhone goes and rings or makes a sound. So we'll guide you through how this can be done. There are different ways, so make sure there's full video as well. So for the first way, you want to come onto the side of your iPhone, go above the volume rockers. There's going to be a button here which you can tap and hold. Then if you go and hold it, it'll go and say silent or ring. So if it's on ring, that means silent mode's off. If it goes and says silent, it means it's on. On the older iPhones, there's a switch. You can push up or down to change it. Alternatively, you can go and drag down in the control center like so, and you can then go and find the bell icon. If it's highlighted, that means it's on. If we tap it again, we'll turn it off. Tap it again to turn it on. If you want to also change it, you can go into your settings and you want to go and find sounds and haptics and you switch it on or off at the top.